D6 Enterprise Propulsion System User Tutorial. Adjust and check parameter. Set CAN ID, Throttle ID, LED color. Connect the propulsion system's CAN cable to the CAN link module and use the Type-C cable to connect the module to the computer. Run the software. Find the corresponding port in the computer device manager. Select the corresponding COM port and ESC to scan and obtain the required firmware information. Select the corresponding ESC to customize the CAN ID and Throttle ID. You can assign the LED color icon according to your preference and then click Save. After saving, the corresponding LED color will change. ArduPilot parameter adjustment. Connect the flight controller with CAN hub to the computer using a Type-C cable. Run Mission Planner and find the corresponding port in the computer device manager. Select the corresponding COM port and baud rate as 115200 and click Connect. Find CAN P1 driver by searching. Adjust the value to CAN P1 driver equals 1. Adjust CAN D1 protocol equals 1. Configure the CAN interface protocol to DroneCAN. Restart the flight controller after successful setting. Reconnect and you will see the CAN P1 bitrate and CAN D1 UC ESC BM parameters. Configure CAN P1 bitrate to 1 million. CAN D1 UC ESC BM is checked according to the number of ESCs and ESC ID. ESC test. In the motor test interface, you can set the throttle and the duration of the throttle action after finishing settings. Select the motor to be tested according to the motor number. For example, to test motor number 1, click Test Motor A. In the status bar we can see ESC1's throttle action data, voltage, RPM, temperature. Check the motor direction. Enter the motor test page in the flight control software and activate the motor to observe whether its direction is correct.